Today, we'll tell you about the eVentGuru wallet and how to use it to purchase leads. Let's get started. When you register as a vendor or event venue on our platform, you receive a free wallet balance as a warm welcome bonus. This non-expirable balance can be used to purchase business leads. With eVentGuru, accessing leads is a breeze. Simply use your wallet balance to unlock valuable opportunities. We believe in providing complete freedom and flexibility to our users. You can still access all the leads without a subscription plan. eVentGuru doesn't put any restrictions on your access. You can seize every chance to grow your business. Once you've purchased a lead, you'll gain instant access to all the contact details and comprehensive information. This enables you to reach out to potential customers directly. With a premium plan, you can effortlessly send and manage quotations directly through eVentGuru platform. This increases the likelihood of having your offer accepted. Managing your wallet balance is easy with our wallet management records. You can track the complete history of your transactions, ensuring transparency and peace of mind. If you choose to upgrade your plan, the new amount from the upgraded subscription plan will be added to it. You'll retain access to the free wallet balance from your previous plan. Take full advantage of our user-friendly system to streamline your lead management process and boost your chances of success with eVentGuru. We're here to support you every step of the way. Congratulations! You now have a clear understanding of how to utilize your wallet balance to access leads and grow your business with eVentGuru. Start exploring the endless possibilities today.